nailed it. You hammer it. I can do
Like
it.
this, like this.
So I thought it'd be funny if I didn't talk throughout the whole video, but then I also thought it'd be funny if I did talk just like halfway through the video. So now I am. And so I just cut these if you were wondering what that was, because I wasn't enjoying I'm a bit sick. I wasn't enjoying the way they looked. They were too bulky. Now they're much more slimline and look better. So if you haven't figured out what this is yet, it's a coat hanger basically, and these are going to move when I need to hang something on it, and go back in when I don't need to hang something on it. And now I'm going to cut like an angle on here, so that when it does go hard up against the wall, it can actually has room to pivot. Let's do it! Okay, I just spent like an hour figuring out how this pivoting system works and to getting it perfect, and I'm pretty happy with the way that looks. And down, and I've got this pattern one that I'll use to make every single one perfect. Let's do that. So it's going to be actually a pretty long process for all these. I'll have to clamp down every single piece where it lines up perfectly and hit them with this hammer with a nail to mark where I need to drill out the hole. First I'll drill out with a smaller bit just because it'll be easier that way, and then I'll drill out with the bigger hole so the cow can go through it. So I'm going to be a while doing that, but I have no idea clamping down the rounded parts, so that will be a bit of a challenge, clamping up the rounded pieces. I should have done this before I rounded them off. Didn't think about it though. My bad. Okay, so I've been trying to do it by myself and I can't do it. So I'm just gonna go ask my dad to help me, and he'll hold it, and it should be good. It'll be alright. Let's go get Dad. Dad? 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 Like, can you come help me with something? I just need you to hold something for me.
Yeah. Handle dirty and everything.
What?
Can you like 5 minutes?
Okay. What are you doing?
Planting.
You're planting something.
Yeah, properly.
Okay. Just need you, because I can't clamp it, I need you to hold it perfectly exact, that lined up with that edge. Okay. While I'll hit it with hammer. Was that hard? So that looks pretty damn good to me. Fuck! Fuck! No! No! Oh my god! Fucking hell. Oh, what a dumbass I am. I have great shame to say I fucked up. I wasn't paying attention properly and cut into the wrong side of this piece. So I did, I cut it the right way afterwards, but now I'm either gonna have to make a completely new piece, which I really don't want to, because I cannot be bothered. Or what I'm thinking about doing is putting a slither of timber in here, gluing it in, shaping it back to normal, which I don't think will be too noticeable, but I also can't be fucked doing that, but you know, I really don't want to do the other option. It's really annoying because I was going to oil it all today. I was going to oil it all today and put it together tomorrow. Now I have to wait for glue to dry. Let's do it. Okay, so I've made this little wedge that slides very tightly into here. And that should be my fix for this mistake. This stupid mistake. So I'm going to glue it in now. And it's going the same grain. Hopefully it should be pretty seamless. Obviously you'll still be able to see it, but yeah. It is now 9:04 at night. This is finally dried. I'm going to cut this back, sand it all up, and put it with the rest of these oiled pieces behind me. Let's do it. Well, I just oiled it and forgot to record it. I didn't press play for the recording, but oiled. Alright, it's ready to go on the wall. Made up these brackets to hook on, hold it upside down, and put these floppy pads on. This is a moment of truth. That is on an angle. What the fuck's happening? Alright. I was having trouble yesterday. So I put this back brace to make it all stronger. And now we'll go on very nicely. shit.